CSS or Cascading Style Sheets is used to provide styling and improve your website's look. HTML was created to describe the content of a web page. CSS describes its style. It deals with the layout and aesthetics of your website. There are 3 ways to insert a style sheet. Let's start with an internal. It is defined within the style element inside the head section of an HTML page. Let's look at this example. Inside these tags we can create a basic CSS statement. It looks like this. It is a block style statement. First, we identify a selector of an element that we want to style. In our case, it is body. Then we have curly braces, and inside of those curly braces are declarations. Each declaration has a property like background color, then a colon, and a value for that property like blue, for example, and a semicolon at the end of each declaration. You can have multiple declarations or even group multiple selectors. You can also use an inline style to change the style of an element. An inline style may be used to apply a unique style for a single element. It looks like this. But this is not the best practice. Inline CSS is not the best way to maintain your website. They make your page bigger and heavier. And the third way to insert CSS is external. Let's create a style CSS file and apply it to the web page by writing in the head tag. And that's it. If some properties have been defined for the same element in different style sheets, the value from the last read style sheet will be used. Let's open a live preview of our page to see how our styles are applied to our document. Look, our page's background color is red, and this is the last style being applied. External style sheet is preferred, especially if your website consists of multi-pages. It is easier and more convenient to change the look of your website in one spot than searching for the code on every page. CSS is easy to learn and write, but it's very powerful. CSS is considered as clean coding technique. As for search engines, it's quite easy to read its content. With pure CSS, you can create very complicated things. It is the key presentational technology to design your website. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Have a good week and see you next Tuesday.